Hello pool players, I want to share with you something that happened to me so it doesn't happen to you in the future. This happened to me during a tournament, my second to last tournament I was in, where I played a 700 Fargo player and we were on the hill and all I had to do was win the last game and I was moving on. Now that person had broke and ran out and they missed on their third to the last ball and left me an opportunity. I ran out 6 balls, got down to my key ball, and it was funny. I couldn't hardly get on this 8, so I did this and it was a big mistake. I made the wrong choice on how to play this shot. Now we're going to cover in slow motion another way to shoot this so that you can avoid what I'm about to show you. Just got to play position on this 8. And I scratched. So now let's take a look at what we can do to avoid that and we can win this game. So there were 2 shots I could have taken. Any one of them would have stopped me from scratching up in that corner pocket. At the time I was in fear of running into another ball. I just thought that I don't want to rearrange the furniture, didn't understand the power of using another ball to play position. And that's what this video is all about. We're going to run into this red ball and I'm going to play perfect shape right over here on this 8. And at the end of this video, you're going to want to check out my tutorial on just this shot. But it's not on this scenario, it's on a totally different scenario where I show the physics of what takes place on several shots with slow motion footage. Got to check it out. So let's take a look at the first shot here. We're going to play inside left spin. I got to play off the edge of that ball and I'm going to gain that shape. We're going to shoot that 8 up in the corner. Nice smooth stroke. And then we just have this nice simple shot all the way up the rail. For the win. Now let's take a look at an outside spin shot. Outside spin, let's take a look at that. We can play off that red and still gain shape. Don't like the shot as much though because we could drive the red into the cushion and bring it back into play in front of this 8 if we hit it too hard. But we're going to try to rub off that red and play shape somewhere up table. I know we're going to have a cut angle as well. Not going to be near as good as what we had when we played the inside spin. That was the best choice actually. So let's see if we can do this. Low outside right, rubbing off the red. Even hit that one. And it left me a little bit long. It would have been a little bit over here more if I hadn't brushed that. But we've got a shot here that we can win the game with. I want to jump in here and show you the slow motion gearing effect that we're going to have with this elephant ball as we strike the red. Notice how the spin rate climbs off the red, goes to the cushion, and with the running spin brings it nicely over to the 8 ball. And here's a more close-up look at what's taking place. And you can see that we're using that red as basically like a cushion on the pool table. You will find that several scenarios like this may come up in the future when you're playing against an opponent. Recognizing this, you will have strengthened your position play game. And now let's take a look at the outside spin rubbing off the red. And once again, take note of the climbing effect. It's basically like a tire that's on ice and then grabbing the drive pavement. And once again, I love this 240 frame per second slow motion because we can really see the physics of what takes place. Spin can really be our friend in the game of pool. I'm going to add a little bit of left spin to negate any cut-induced throw, make a good stroke. And we won the game. Now, don't forget to check out the video at the end of this one. And please share this video. It helps my channel and I need your help. And hit the thumbs up. That helps drive the algorithm. And check out ronthepoolstudent.com, my new website. Check out the merch. And if you feel compelled to help the channel pick something up, we would greatly appreciate that. And if you want to watch that video, it's right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.